Good afternoon, parents. Welcome to 7th grade Zoom back to school night. I am Mr. Gutierrez. I am your student 7th grade science and health teacher. This is the schedule for today. You guys are visiting all core classes except for advisory. You have 15-minute sessions. I will end this session 2 minutes before, just so that you have enough time to log into your next Zoom meeting. Any questions, please go ahead and type them into the Zoom chat. Your students will assist you in typing up those questions, and I will be answering them as this presentation continues. I work with Ms. Gomez. She teaches 7th grade math. Ms. Mills teaches 7th grade English and 8th grade English, and Ms. Sandoval, who teaches 7th grade social studies and English. For my class, students do need a computer. They need a device. They could access Schoology, Google Drive, and they do need a Gmail. Each student is provided with a Gmail as long as they have a Schoology account. When students log on to the Zoom meetings, I expect them to be participating. I expect them to actively engage. During my classes, I do ask students to share, read slides, and if I call on them, I want to receive some type of feedback, whether it's through the Zoom chat or whether it is through the mic. This lets me know that your student is participating, your student is engaged, your student is listening. Students are advised to join 5 minutes before the class starts. That gives them enough time to copy agenda and collect materials they need for the Zoom meeting. Students are given 3 to 5 minutes at the beginning of each Zoom meeting to copy the objectives and the asynchronous work. The deadlines are listed, and any questions regarding homework are addressed at the very beginning of class. Students receive homework daily. Every night, students are to log into Schoology, click on the week that was assigned to them, and complete any discussion or assignment that wasn't completed that day. The deadlines are listed right below each assignment, and students are expected to meet these deadlines and receive full credit for these assignments. This school year, we are using a digital textbook. We're using Houghton Mifflin Harcourt HMH, and students access this textbook straight from Schoology. Features of the textbook: students are allowed to highlight, students are allowed to answer questions, answer quizzes, and these assignments will be assigned through Schoology. Some issues with logging onto HMH has been students not enabling pop-up blockers, so not letting the window with the textbook show up. Some methods to override that is having students use a different internet browser such as Safari instead of using Google Chrome. This is a mastery learning grade classroom, meaning that students have multiple opportunities to retake an assessment, an assignment, until they are satisfied with that score or final grade. Students are allowed to retake a test or quiz up to a total of 3 times to improve their score. If student is asking for a 4th attempt, they may do so by sending me an email through Schoology. Students are to submit late work no later than 2 weeks since that deadline. Anything more than 2 weeks I will not accept, and I will focus on the assignments for the upcoming week. Students are graded using a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 scale. The letter grade translates to the left. If student fails to turn in an assignment, nothing was submitted by the deadline, student will receive a 0 since there is no evidence of learning. Student will receive a score of a 1 if there are multiple misconceptions, limited understanding on that assignment, test, or quiz. Score of a 2 demonstrates an incomplete understanding of the learning target. Score of a 3 means student has met the learning target. And a score of a 4 means student exceeds. A student has demonstrated complete understanding, is well familiarized with that unit, with that subject for that learning target. Students will be receiving a total of 4 report cards this semester. The first one does go out in a few weeks, and it's a progress of what is your student's current academic grade in all of their classes. Your support as parents is making sure that after your student has gone through all of their Zoom meetings, making sure that they're still logging on to Schoology to complete the homework, the discussions, the assignments they didn't finish with me. So students are receiving homework daily, and they are responsible of completing that after the Zoom meetings finish. This is a team effort, and I do appreciate the communication and support. You may reach me at david.x.gutierrez@lausd.net if there are any concerns or problems with an assignment you're needing my help. Thank you for your time, and I expect on hearing from you soon.